Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm Sarah Christina, and if you're returning, welcome back. You know I love having you here. Today I have a special video for you guys because today we are going to be opening up my Boxycharm today. I am so excited. If you guys don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a beauty subscription box that's you get full-size products for $21 a month. I pay $26 because I live in Canada, so I have to pay a $5 shipping fee. So if you live outside of the US, it's $26 for you. But it is worth it because you get 5 full-size products in here. So enough jibber-jabbering, let's get into the box. This month, I actually, because I canceled my subscription a couple months back due to money issues, you know. But I resubscribed to them this month because, you know, I miss getting it and I love getting the products. And for $21 a month, getting full-size products is literally a steal. I'm trying to open the box right now and I'm having a heck of a time. But it's pretty cool. You get eyeshadow palettes, you get powders, you get highlighters, you get brushes. You get a lot of different variety in these boxes, and I think that's really, really cool. So now that I got it opened, I think, oh, maybe not, because like they got a sticker every crevice of this box. Okay, so I am trying, guys, I am trying here. Really stuck on there. Do you guys receive Boxycharm? Let me know in the comment section down below if you guys get this subscription box or if there's any other subscription boxes that you guys get that you would like to see me review on this channel. I also get the Ipsy Glam bag, so I will be doing a review on that as soon as my bag comes in. I haven't yet received it, but as soon as it does, I promise to review that for you guys on here. Alright, so now I got the box open. So this is what it looks like, and you open it up. And this is what the box looks like inside as I'm dropping everything. So the first thing you get up top is this card, and it says totally Boxycharm. And on the other side, it tells you everything that you get and the prices of the products. So, oh, and it also tells me my 2 extra products. Okay, guys, so first item I see in the box is this Tarte Big Ego mascara. Now this says it's an ultra black vegan mascara that lifts your lashes and delivers a fully loaded flutter for up to 16 hours, and this retails for $23. So, and it is in the shade black. So let's have a look. Ooh, I love the packaging. It's very solid, and I love that about their packaging. The brush is big and fluffy, and I love that because these type of brushes really lift my lashes. So I am so excited to give this a try. All right, next thing I see here is the Becca Hydra Mist and Refresh Powder. This says this weightless powder smooth, invincible, oh my god, girls, I can't read. Invisible finish. Formulated with 50% water and glycerin, this powder creates a mist-like sensation on the skin for a seamless finish and comfortable feel. Girl, I cannot wait to give this a try, and this retails for $39. So this is what it looks like. Oh, I'm loving the packaging. That is so pretty. It like literally can see yourself in that. You can use it as a mirror if you don't have a mirror. I'm not even kidding. It's just so beautiful. No, that's what it looks like. I'm not going to open it yet because I do want to do a review on these products. If you guys want me to do like a single video on each of these products, or if you want me to do like a full face using all these products below, guys, because you know I love doing these videos for you. All right, so next thing I got in the box here is one of my free gifts, and this is the Luxie Gaia. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. I'm sorry if I'm botching it, but this is the 3-piece brush set. It says, create the perfect look with your new eco-friendly Luxie brush set. Apply foundation with the Luxie 510 foundation brush. Blend your eyeshadow with the Luxie 250 large eye blending brush. And precisely apply color to your crease with the Luxie 246 precision crease brush. And this retails for $30. So let's have a look. I really love the packaging. It's very eco-friendly. And oh, they're made out of wood, and then they're painted in pink, which I love. So this is the foundation brush, and it's so soft, guys. Like, oh, I can't wait to give that a try. And then this is the precision crease, and then that's the big fluffy blending brush. These are literally so soft. They're gonna work so good. So I can't wait to give these a try. Next, we have something from Wonder Beauty. This is their Glow Ahead Illuminating Oil. This says, this multitasking beauty Exceller, I don't know if that's saying that right. I'll put the word right here so you guys know what I'm trying to say. Instantly hydrates and absorbs into your skin, revealing a bouncy, youthful complexion, no matter what skin type you have. The light formula nourishes and primes the skin and helps to restore skin's moisture barrier while providing a youthful glow. The slip-proof dropper allows you to use it one drop at a time. That is awesome, so then you're not wasting product. And this retails for, whoa, this retails for $42. Wow, that is crazy expensive, but wow, guys, look at that. That is so cool. So I see what they mean by you're not wasting it, because literally one drop at a time. Did you guys see that? That is so cool. I'm actually quite impressed with the packaging of this. Now that is what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can see it. It does have a illuminating look to it. You just can't really see that. All right, so it smells floral, but really fresh, if that makes any sense to you guys. I'm sorry, but I am very excited to give this a try. So next we have this huge eyeliner. This is the Hollywood and Vine Velvety Touch Smooth Kohl Eyeliner. This says, line your eyes with the rich intensity of Velvety Touch Smooth Kohl Eyeliner. The creamy formula glides on smooth and adds drama to any desired look. This looks so good. Oh, wow. So it is in black. It is so creamy and so pigmented. I cannot wait to try this out. All right, next we have, ooh, we got 2 eyeshadows. Okay, so these are from Ace Beauty. This is the Glitter Shadow Duo. Shadows with a creamy texture, specially designed for the ultimate color payoff. These shadows provide bold color in one swipe without fallout, creasing, or fading. And they retail for $25 for the 2 of them, so they're $12.50 each. So let's give these a swatch. This one is in the shade French Vanilla. Ooh, and it's this beautiful silvery shade. Wow. Look at that. That is stunning, guys. Ugh. If you guys want to see me do a look with these shadows, let me know in the comment section down below, guys, because you know I'll do a video for ya. Alright, next we have this one in Huckleberry. Ooh, that is such a gorgeous color. Is like making me so happy. Okay, so we have this one. So we're gonna swatch that right next to this one. Wow, look at that. Oh, these are absolutely stunning. I cannot wait to play with these. I don't know if you guys have tried them yet, but if you have, let me know what you guys think about them in the comment section. All right, now last but not least, this was the last free gift I got, and this is the Butter London Natural Goddess eyeshadow palette. If you guys want to see me do a review on this palette alone, let me know down below, or give this video a big thumbs up, guys, and I will do a review on it. This is so pretty. It says, serving queendom realness, bring out your inner goddess in Butter London's vibrant... Girl, I can't read. I can't talk. Okay, anyways. Natural Goddess eyeshadow palette. Enhanced with 6 highly pigmented, long-lasting shades. Whether you're feeling like a diva or a temptress, these cruelty-free shadows pair effortlessly to create imaginative looks that will make a powerful entrance. And this retails for $32. I'm literally in love with this packaging. It's wood, and then it's got the flowers all around it, and the back is the same too. Oh, it's just so pretty. It's really heavy, so it's very good quality. Oh, even the inside is wood, and you got this beautiful mirror, and look at those shades, guys. Oh, that is... Do you want to see a review on this palette alone? Give this video a big thumbs up, guys, and I will make sure to get that video up for you guys this week. So that is everything we got in the Boxycharm. I'm gonna go try to figure out how much. Okay, so let's try to figure out what the total is. So we got, let's say 40, 81, 81, 104, 29, 36. Wait. So this came to like $192 or $96. If I'm wrong, guys, let me know in the comment section, but I think that's what the total came to with the 2 free gifts. So if you guys don't get Boxycharm, if you guys aren't subscribed to Boxycharm yet, definitely go subscribe, guys. It's definitely worth the money. You get full-size products for $21 a month, and it gets delivered right to your door. Like I said before, if you live in Canada, you do have to pay a $5 shipping fee, but $26 for over $100 worth of products is definitely worth the money, and it's so amazing to get a gift every month in the mail with a bunch of new makeup to try out, and it gives me new stuff to review for you guys and try on my channel and share them with you guys. So I adore this box. If you guys are subscribed to Boxycharm, give this video a big thumbs up. Or if you guys are planning to. If you guys aren't already, then let me know if you guys are thinking about it, or if you guys are subscribed to any other beauty boxes. Let me know which ones you guys are into. Now, if you to hit that subscribe button, guys, and hit that notification bell so you're notified of my upcoming uploads, and join our family here. We are growing by the day, and I can't thank you guys enough. I love you guys all so much. You guys are my family, and I adore every single one of you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Have a great day. I love you guys so much.